What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So for those who don't know me, my name is Dylan and this is my channel called the Rideshare Hub. It's a place for rideshare and delivery drivers and helping them make more money. So just a little backstory on this video. About a week ago, I graduated from college. I graduated from a college called UC Berkeley. The same day I took my last final, I went back to my hometown in San Clemente. It was the 4th of July. And you know, I had a great time, celebrated, hung out with my family, watched the fireworks, and later that night, I saw a video come up, and it was actually of a pizza delivery guy, and he got water thrown on him, thrown inside his car, and he got completely drenched while he was trying to deliver a pizza. So I'll play the clip really quickly, just so you guys know what happened.
Oh no! Oh!
That's fucking mean.
Oh my
That's not
God.
Nice.
Yo, don't do it! Oh no!
So just a little backstory on everyone who's confused on why this happened. So every single year in the town of San Clemente, there is something called the annual computer chair races. Everyone builds their own little office chair. It's a good time. However, cars that drive by are known to be hit by water balloons. And you know, usually it's pretty fun. Usually there's no harm involved, it's just a little water balloon, and people usually just laugh it off, even though that could potentially be dangerous to somebody who gets a water balloon thrown at them while they're trying to operate a 5,000-pound vehicle. So a couple of people took it a little too far, and Trent, a pizza delivery driver from Domino'S, was delivering a pizza on that street, and people took coolers full of bucket and dumped it on him, and they just took it way too far, and I didn't think that that was representative of my hometown, so I wanted to make it right. So I found that video, I took it and I posted it on YouTube and on Facebook, and a lot of people were reaching out and commenting and saying that they wanted to help this young man. So as a way of combating the negativity that came with that incident, I set up the GoFundMe campaign to allow people to give back. It was awesome. So now I'm gonna show you a clip of me giving Trent the money. So we just got to Domino's where he works. I don't know if he knows about it at all. I also don't know if he wants to be on camera, so I'm gonna try to get a picture with him at least and maybe ask him some questions. But huge shout out to everyone who donated, even people outside of San Clemente, to show him this world is good and people like to, you know, help out and give back. So that's what life is all about. All right, let's go give it to him. All right, damn, come. All right, so we heard what happened the other day on the 4th of July, and a couple of us came together, so shout out to everyone, but here, wow, it's $500. Wow.
Thank you so much.
So, yeah, I don't know if you know, there's like a little GoFundMe.
I know, I saw that. My mom told me about it.
Yeah, I'm sure you heard, but
That's
yeah.
so nice of you guys. Thank you so much.
Yeah, of course.
It's great.
Yeah, so, yeah, do you want to just like maybe explain what happened really quick? Or like, yeah, is that point? Yeah, because I don't really know.
Well, it was on the 4th of July, and I was taking deliveries, and I was going down Avenue de Victoria, and there was a big block party going on, and I wasn't sure if I should drive down the street or not, and I just decided, like, screw it, and I started driving. I got hit with a few water balloons, that was whatever, and then I pulled up to the house, and his neighbor that I've like never seen before in my life just comes out with a cooler of water and just dumps it through my car window while I'm sitting in there, and I was completely soaked. My car was like so wet, there's like puddles in my car, and I had to come back and spend like an hour cleaning it, and then I had to go home and change, and I came back to work and did a few more deliveries.
Yeah, so I mean, I threw in some of my own money too. Like, we just wanted to like try to show you that not all people are
I know, that was
bad,
so nice of you.
and that there are good people out there.
Yeah.
I mean, It's not to like cover, I don't know if your car is like okay or not, but this is just like, I think you deserve it. So I know you guys work really hard here. Cool, man. So I guess I get a photo with the money up.
There it is. Yay.
All right. I think that should be good. All right.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you too.
So thank you so much for watching this story. I hope it really sparked some positivity. I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who did support and who watched this video. And big shout out to Trent at Domino's. You're doing a great job, man. Big shout out to everyone who did support. So Trent is a really awesome guy and he did not deserve this to happen. So next time you're thinking about dumping water on somebody while they're delivering pizzas, maybe think twice. All right, thank you guys for watching. Have a good one. Later, guys.